The jigsaw puzzle. It was raining. The children were fed up. Biff and Annie were bored too, and Chip was in a bad mood. He wanted to play with the frisbee. Mom had an idea. She had a new jigsaw puzzle. She gave it to the kid. You can do the jigsaw puzzle, she said. It's a good one. It's a good one. Everybody looked at the jigsaw. It was a picture of soldiers and a boy. The soldiers are asking the boy a question, said Mom. They want to know where his father is. The jigsaw puzzle had lots of pieces. The children liked the jigsaw puzzle, but it was hard to do. Soon, Chip got bored with it. He began to play with the frisbee. In the end, everyone got bored. The magic key began to glow. The magic took the children into a new adventure. The magic took the children in a time long ago. It took them to a big house. Some children were playing with their mothers and father. Kipper looked at their clothes. What funny clothes they were wearing, he said. They looked like the children in the picture of the jigsaw. Kipper spoke to the girl and the boy. Hello, he said. My name is Kipper. This is Biff and Chip and Annie. What funny names you have, said the girl. And what funny clothes you wearing? What are your names? Mine's named Jane, said the girl. My name's Animer, said the boy, and my father is very important. We don't mind, said Kipper. Animer never seen a frisbee before. Why have you got a plate? He asked. It's not a plate, it's a frisbee. Everybody wants to play with it. Suddenly, there was a loud shout. A man ran towards Amber's father. Quickly, you must hide, he said. Get inside the house. The soldiers are coming. Amber's father ran inside. Quickly, he shouted, and we must help my father to hide. The soldiers mustn't find him. Everyone ran in the house. The soldiers came to the house. They knocked at the door. Let us in. Open the door or we'll smash it down. Everyone ran to the library. The library had a secret room. The room was hid behind a bookcase. Andrew's father. Good luck, father, said Andrew. Andrew's mother pushed the bookcase back. Don't tell the soldiers about the secret room, said Jane. They will kill my father if they find him. The soldiers ran in the house. They looked for Andrew's father. Tell us where he is, they shouted. The children were frightened, but they didn't see anything. The soldiers looked everywhere, but they couldn't find Anna's father. One of the soldiers found a sword. His sword is still here, so he must be here somewhere. The soldiers took everybody into a room. Some men sat at a big table. They looked at the children. One of them, looked at the children. One of them looked at Kipper. "Come here, little boy," he said. "Where is your father?" asked the man. Kipper was frightened, but he didn't say anything. None of the children said anything. The important man was angry. "Your father is hiding," he shouted. "Tell me where he is. If he is hiding in the house." Nobody said anything. The soldiers began to paw up the floors, tap on the walls. Animal mothers were frightened. "They may find him," she said. Emma and Jane was frightened. They wanted to help their father. Suddenly, Chip had an idea. "Maybe your father could escape if he dressed up as a woman," he said. But Biff and Annie had an idea too. Biff threw the frisbee at the soldiers. The soldier laughed. He had never seen a frisbee before. "Come and look at this." The soldiers wanted a rest, so they stopped looking for Emma's father. They played with the frisbee. Soon everybody was laughing. The soldiers liked the frisbee. They played with it for a long time. Suddenly, an old woman came up. She looked very poor. She wanted some money. The soldiers stopped playing. She was a frisbee. They shouted at the old woman. Old woman. "Go away," they shouted. "We don't have any money." Suddenly, one of the soldiers looked at the house. He saw someone running away. "Look over there," he shouted. "Someone's running away." The soldiers chased the woman. "It's not a woman, it's a man. I must get them. It must be the man we want. Don't let him get away." The soldiers caught the man and took him back to the house. "Oh no," said Emma. "They've caught Emma's father." Our idea didn't work. The soldiers thought they had caught Emma's father, but it was a trick. "Grr," said the soldiers. "Hooray," said the children. The children found some old clothes. "So the old woman," said Annie. "What a good trick." Laughed everyone. Suddenly the magic key began to glow. The jug puzzle was finished. Ma looked at something in the picture. "That's funny. That looked like a frisbee." "It must be a plate," said Chip.